Hey folks, we have so much to unpack with Virgin Voyages. Not only do we have the Brilliant Lady itineraries, we now have the other 3 lady ship itineraries going into 2025 and 2026. But first, the Brilliant Lady, and we'll start with the 4 mermaiden sailing. Brilliant Lady's very first cruise will be the New York City Mermaiden, sailing September 5th through the 10th, 2025. It'll be a 5-night cruise, spending a couple nights in Bermuda with a few sea days sprinkled in round trip New York City. The second mermaiden will be in Miami, October 17th through the 25th, 2025. That's going to be an 8-night sailing that will go from Miami to St. Martin, Tortola, British Virgin Island, and of course the Bimini Beach Club in the Bahamas. The third mermaiden will sail out of Los Angeles, April 7th through the 12th, 2026. It's going to be a 5-night cruise. You'll go to Santa Barbara, San Diego, and Ensenada. Now, the fourth Brilliant Lady mermaiden will sail out of Seattle in May of 2026. That's all we know at this time. They will be releasing the Seattle itineraries later this summer, according to Virgin Voyages. Virgin has a Brilliant 4-pass, meaning you can sail on all 4 mermaiden voyages, and you'll do so in a Seriously suite. Now, this is a very limited offer because there's not that many Seriously suites on the ship to begin with. So if you're interested in the Brilliant 4-pass, reach out now so we can go ahead and get you guys lined up. The showcase sailing for the Brilliant Lady is that Panama Canal cruise. There are so many people that are very excited about this. This is going to be 16 nights. She will sail March 21st through April 6th, 2026. The sailing will start in Miami. You will visit Cartagena, Colon. You'll go through the Panama Canal, Punta Neres, probably got that wrong. Puerto Quetzal, probably got that wrong. You go to Cabo San Lucas, and of course you have multiple sailing days before finally arriving where the Brilliant Lady belongs, Los Angeles and Hollywood, California. We fully expect this sailing is going to sell out quickly, possibly even on May 8th, the day that the bookings go on sale. So definitely, if you're interested, this is a one-time shot going through the Panama Canal. Obviously, she'll come back again in 2026. We don't know when yet, but this first one, this is going to be a hot ticket. So if you're interested, definitely reach out sooner than later. 3 Brilliant Lady itineraries out of New York City really caught my eye. The first one is called the Northeast Atlantic Adventure. We know this is going to sail on September 15th through the 23rd, 2025. You leave from New York City, you go to Boston, Eastport, Maine, St. John, New Brunswick, Halifax, Nova Scotia, before coming back to New York. That is going to be 8 nights. Nautical Northeast, New York City to Quebec. This is going to be a 10-night sailing, September 23rd through October 3rd, 2025. You're going to leave New York City, you go to Boston, you go to Eastport, Maine, you go to New Brunswick, you go to Halifax, Nova Scotia, but you go up to Quebec City, Quebec. And my absolute favorite itinerary from the Northeast, Canada, Carolina, and Miami. 13 nights. You're going to come right down the East Coast to Miami, October 3rd through the 16th, 2025. You're going to leave Quebec City. You go to Halifax, Nova Scotia. You go to St. John, New Brunswick. You're going to go to Eastport, Maine, Boston, Massachusetts, Charleston, South Carolina, before ending up in Miami. Now, once Brilliant is done with the winter season in the Caribbean and she goes through the Panama Canal, she's going to do some cruises out of Los Angeles, including Hollywood Sunsets and Mexican Horizon, starting April 26th through May 3rd, 2026. This will be a 7-night cruise. You leave Los Angeles, you go to Cabo San Lucas, Mazatlan, Puerto Vallarta, and back to Los Angeles. We expect there will be a few more sailings of this itinerary as well. And then the Brilliant Lady will reposition herself to get ready for Alaska, from Cali to Canada, 8 nights, May 3rd through the 11th, 2026. You're going to leave Los Angeles. You go to Catalina Island, San Francisco, Astoria, Oregon, Victoria, British Columbia, before ending up in Vancouver, British Columbia. That's the last we know of the Brilliant Lady. The Seattle itineraries are coming soon. Those Brilliant Lady itineraries open up for bookings on May 8th, but lost in all the excitement, and it was really exciting to see all the Brilliant Lady news. We have itineraries for Scarlet, Resilient, and Valiant Lady going into 2025 and 2026. Whoa, we've got so many really cool itineraries, and here's a couple that caught our eye. It looks like Valiant Lady will be reprising one of our favorite itineraries from San Juan, idyllic Caribbean Isles in Colombia, San Juan, Cartagena, Curacao, Aruba, St. Lucia, Antigua, St. Martin, over 11 nights. Cartagena and Caribbean Faves, this is 11 nights, similar itinerary but slightly different, December 2nd through the 13th, 2025, San Juan, Cartagena, Curacao, Aruba, Martinique, Antigua, St. Martin's, 11 nights in December 2025. Cartagena, Aruba, Antigua, and more. The Valiant Lady, 11 nights, February 10th through the 21st, 2026. San Juan, Cartagena, Curacao, Aruba, Antigua, St. Croix, St. Martin, 11 nights in February 2026. Valiant Lady repositioning the San Juan, November 2nd through the 8th, 2025. Miami, Puerto Plata, St. Martin, Tortola, and San Juan. Quintessential Caribbean highlights, 10 nights from the Valiant Lady, January 31st through February 10th, 2026. San Juan, St. Martin, St. Kitts, Antigua, Martinique, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, Barbados, San Juan. Folks, that is an amazing Southern Caribbean itinerary. Sun-soaked seas and St. Isles, 10 nights on the Valiant Lady, November 22nd through December 2nd, 2025. San Juan, Tortola, St. Kitts, Antigua, Martinique, Barbados, St. Lucia, St. Martin. A lot of saints on that one. It's another really good itinerary. Now, maybe 10 or 11 nights is too long for you. We have a whole slew of 7-nighters sailing out of San Juan, and of course, the usual suspects sailing out of Miami as well. Now, the last big itinerary I want to point out is the Scarlet Lady's return from Europe. She's going to be coming from Spain to Miami, October 16th through the 31st, 2025. So you're going to arrive on Halloween. That should be fun. You'll leave Barcelona. You go to Palma, Mallorca, go to Casablanca, Morocco. You're going to go to Portugal. You're going to go to Santa Cruz de Tenerife, Spain. You'll have a whole bunch of sea days before arriving in Miami on Halloween. That should be hilarious. I would stay in Miami that night. That is probably going to be a lot of fun. Where Scarlet Lady will join the Brilliant Lady for the winter season 2025 going into 2026. You're going to have your standard itineraries coming out of Miami, although it looks like they're going to mix some of those up as well. And you're going to have 7 to 11 nights coming out of San Juan. So many choices. We don't know yet when those itineraries are going on sale. We know that the Brilliant Lady goes on sale May 8th. The rest of those itineraries will come on sale probably shortly thereafter, but right now they're focusing on the Brilliant Lady and the May 8th launch. I'm really, really excited. Be sure to reach out. We are a top 100 Virgin Voyages sales agent. We know these ships backwards, forwards, upside down, all around. Tamika is one of our favorite people in the whole world. She's our representative with Virgin Voyages. And John DiOrio is an amazing vice president here in North America. I keep saying amazing. They're an amazing cruise line to work with there, and they're a lot of fun to work with. So folks, if you got any questions about Virgin Voyages, about these itineraries, about anything to do with cruising, just reach out. We would love to help you on your voyages. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye.